Okay. Trey 610 3600.
Trey 600 with a niggas who run it. Yeah. Trey 600, 3600. Trey 600, 3600.
Yo, it's your boy Trey 600 in the building, and today we got a whole mess, bro. Like, who gave these boys internet access and clout at the same time? Cause this one got Ray J Security, Wack100, Arron 22, Vlad TV, and a whole lawsuit.
And now, our feature presentation.
So boom, Arron the Plumber, you might have seen bro pop up recently. He's out here saying Wack100 threatened his life and his mom over an altercation with Ray J Security.
Ain't nobody, no, bro. I see what you trying to do, bro.
Niggas blood I'ma get on donut for not killing your ass, blood. Mentioning that. You keep whooping blood, we gonna activate blood.
Bruh said the bodyguard spit on him and then pulled up with a piece, like it was GTA or something. Whole time, Arron trying to pop balloons and be internet famous. Next thing you know, leaked audio dropped, and allegedly, Wack100 on the line talking real spicy.
Homie, don't nobody give about that roof. Blood, you cost $1,500, my nigga. Nigga, turn your TV off, blood. You telling me threatening my homeboy, blood, like we can.
Nigga, ain't nobody whack. Ain't nobody nigga, I came to you.
Say that. Blood on power rule, all niggas gotta do is say that. And we ain't got it. Mama's kids, we don't give a kids, blood. Don't no out of town nigga get at us talking about some violence, nigga. You should have knocked blood out when he spit on you and died about it, homie. And any nigga gonna tell you that's real. No nigga having no gun.
Bruh, the first conversation when we had with Luce, bro, you said the nigga was out of pocket. You said niggas not whooping. I'm just trying to get a fade. Now niggas talking about killing me.
You want a fade, blood? Where you at? Cause you doing a lot of whooping like you running something, homie.
Nigga, I didn't say, nigga, I'm coming to you, nigga. Nigga came to you.
We gonna give you your fade. Where you at?
Nah, nigga ain't finna meet you now. Nigga, you talking about kill.
Cause you whooping it, you gon' humble yourself, and we gon' get to what you talking about. I told Luce said, what's up with dude, bro? You been trying to be cool with the nigga Wack. I ain't never seen you this calm. I said, dude doing a lot of crazy whooping. Like niggas won't go knock a nigga mama down. Just send a message.
We talking death threats, pull up, all that. Arron ain't take that lightly, nah. He went straight full Takashi. I snitched for my safety. And now we hearing dude pressing charges. Got a whole warrant issued and put the whole situation in the LAPD's inbox like, y'all deal with it.
Wack100 has a warrant for his arrest for conspiracy to commit murder and for terroristic threats. And for those that continue to try to set people up with Hispanic women in Los Angeles, you know, you're being investigated.
But wait, here's the spicy part. Arron 22 and Vlad TV supposedly caught in the crossfire.
And if you're not aware of the term gang stalking, you know, you can and will be arrested for it if you continue, because you're being investigated. You guys should thank Vlad 22 and Arron 22 for strengthening the police department's case.
Arron the Plumber has said that because of them, that's why this whole situation is escalating, and that's why he's making the moves that he's making to protect himself. So now the internet is torn, right? One half saying Wack too grown to be making threats over balloon drama. Other half yelling, snitching is snitching. We don't care what happened. Bro, this is the weirdest crossover episode ever. Ray J, Arron 22, Vlad, lawsuits. And now Arron trying to turn this into a legal mixtape drop? I can't make this up, but what do y'all think? Is Arron justified for pressing charges, or is he clout chasing? Did Wack go too far or just caught slipping on the phone?
Yeah, I don't even know. Like, I can't even tell you that. Like, you know, like, fighting, I don't know. Like, never know, you know, like.
And is Adam 22 and Vlad TV involved? Or just got hit with a stray of the Clout Brothers? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button. And don't forget to sub before you get caught in Wack100's group call.
Trey 600, hey, this the drop right here. If you ain't with it, you getting dropped, baby. Get with it before you get left behind, baby. Yes, sir. Hey.
Shit, what it do to CSG? I'm at ATX, you know what I'm saying? Got about 6 white girls in the condo. Head honcho, so nigga 9 like Rondo. Matter of fact, after that, had to call a nigga Trey 600. You know what I'm talking about? Get you some real footage, man. Some real shit, some real quality filming going down. That's what the business is. ESG, SUC, I said that.
Yes, sir.
Bye. Yes, sir. Y'all know what it is. Coalition DJ Fame. Out here on 6th Street. Yes, Trey 600. Twin TV. I love you, brother. You do your motherfucking thing, man. Come on, ready, man. Y'all know what it is. Trey 600. Yeah.
What's up, it's your boy OG T-Will. You know, folk in town, find us, man. Y'all subscribe to my channel, T-Will 817. I heard with Trey 600, man. Y'all subscribe to him too, you hear me? Where the content is always hot, baby.
Big building, nigga. Trey 600, nigga. In the building, nigga. Talk to me. I talk back.
Here we got a Trey 600.